Hey guys, Joseph here. Today we're doing another Joseph car video, and today I'll be showing you how to replace your rear door panel on a Volvo V70. And let's get down to the car right now. Right guys, to start removing the door card, you're going to need... Right, here you go. You've got the door open, just to stop the battery dying. You just push that in, there you go. So that's to shut the lights off. So now, you're just going to need you're going to need T20 Torx. Yeah. That is a screw behind that panel. So I'm just going to find the T20. So right, sorry about background wind noise. I'll drop that in the back seat. So right, you've got little panel clips here. If you can see, you just got to pop these in. There's two, second one, the second, third one. You do need 2 hands for this job. Sorry, this one, I'm gonna leave that one till last. There's one here. There's another one there. And now that the reason I'm replacing my door card, if you look carefully, is a crack on the speaker, if you can see. Get a pressure on the bottom one. That one's done. There's one more over there. There you go. So now you're going to need something small, just to pry this little cap off from the top. I just need a little flathead here. Here you go. Give a bit of a pry. There you go. That's off. Now get your T20. I think it's a T20. Undo that with your T20 Torx. If you can see, now door card is virtually free. This took me a couple of... No, I haven't done it enough. Hopefully this was a good film. So just get this on camera. All you need to just... There you go. Don't lose anything, because you're gonna... So now, make it slightly easier, pop that down. And now guys, all you got to do is try and lift this off. Right, need to pry these out now so we can pop this off. So right, little trims out. So you're gonna pop these out. If you can see, I hope you can. I hope you can see, guys. So, but guys, you gotta pop these out. That's one. So put them all there. First one out. I'm gonna pause while I do the rest here. Right guys, to reuse, you just pop these out. I'm gonna show you with this one, guys. To reuse, you just line that up. There you go. That's how you do it. Right guys, I've just had to pop the last clip back in just so just don't fall off. In case it falls off. Pop it back in, you do the same. Removal progress, you can just see right here. There you go. I just weren't sure if it was gonna fall off. It didn't. So right now, to get it off, grab here. Just got to rise up the height. Right guys, I should have opened up the window. Sorry. Sorry guys. Tell you what, I'm just gonna do it. There's a clip here. I'll redo this. Tell you what, I'm gonna put it back for a sec. I'm quite ready to remove. So guys, I'm just gonna pause here and just open my window quickly. I'll be back any second now. Right guys, here you go. Try attempt number 2 to get this off. There we have. Give you a bit of a view behind as a clip to undo the door handle. So if you can't see this one really well, hope you can see the door latch. But I'll bring you around. See the door latch. You pop these 2 out. Just try and pull out. Especially someone that hasn't removed the door handle before. I'm gonna pause here, just pop those 2 clips out to pop this out, and I'll be back any second. Right guys, undone that. Now to connect to the door module. Get that out. You can see. Just grab hold of that. Sorry guys. So right, pop that little tab in. Just trying to figure it out. Pop in. Sorry guys. I'm gonna pause here. Just pop that centre thing in, and I'll be back any second now. There you go guys. Here it is. Door panel successfully removed. No more door panel there. So now I'm gonna pause here. Right guys, we're gonna go and grab the new one now. I'll be back with a new one right now. Right guys, it's gonna start installing this door card, the new door card right here. So right now we've got to connect everything back up. So get the electronic. I've shut the window by the way. So I'm just gonna plug that in a sec. So if you can see, I'm just gonna plug this in. That's that in. I'm gonna hang that there a sec. I'm gonna hang it on a sec, see how it looks. That looks great. Just to check that the thing well, I just left my key in the seat. I'm gonna pause here till I've just checked, open the window, and I'll be back any second now. Right guys, just go and check this window switch works in the rear. I've got all the electrics turned on so I can check. Does the switch work? I'm gonna leave it down. Right guys, I'm gonna take this door panel off again. Here you go. So here's the door handle cable. I'm just gonna turn you round so you can look, guys. So get the cable. Look for the slot. Sorry guys. So look for the slot, I'll put it in. On the air, then clip it in. Should clip in. Get it in a second. Slide that in. There you go. Now let's see if I can work this handle. So right, if I was to click that in, now let's see if this should pop it up. And then that's working. That's good. So we can start fitting this out. Now let's get the Torx screw. Let's get the 220 Torx. Let's just insert the. Just dropped it on my driveway. And I'll put you back on my head in a sec. Just put it in a couple of turns. Right, I'm just going to mount you back on my head. I'm going to pause until I've got you back on, and I'll be back any second now. So right guys, get the little Torx screw. The Torx screwdriver screws in. Hope you can see very well. So right, let's tighten this screw back in. Let's tighten it up. Yeah, good tight on there. There you go. That's that trim on. And that's really simple. Just get the little cover, then insert it back on. Little trim cover. There you go. That's in. There you go. Now let's just get a little trim. You have to pop these out. Pop these out. Then insert them in. Now, level. There you go. Do the same for all the others, which I'm just going to be doing. Just repeat. There you go. Get all the clips in. The clips back in. It's pretty cold out, guys. I'm not going to moan. So now just. There you go, that one's in. Let's get this one. There you go. Same repeats for the rest. I'm just gonna pause here. Right guys. Now check that this can open from the outside. Interior one work. Fully complete. That works. We'll open and shut the windows with the ignition out. So it works. And check that it works with the child lock thing activated here. If you hit child lock, that thing should not work in the rear, which I hope worked. That works. When that child lock does work on that door, there you go. Pretty clear problems. So now we're going to go and end off this video. So right guys, sometimes if you haven't got a good door module, sometimes it might not lock. So I just hit lock on the remote and that button should drop down. Good. When I hit unlock, it should go up. That's good, that's working. So now I'll just lock the car and end this film. So right guys, we're going to end off this video. Go follow me on Instagram for some behind the scenes footage, and you'll know before I publish a video, and also you'll know about it before it's published. And go follow me on Twitter. It's Joseph Cars on Instagram and Twitter. And give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a nice day.